Hi everybody, today we are going to see what are the parts that are available in a mosquito bat. Suppose you face any problem with the mosquito bat, you can easily rectify the problem, but care should be taken while opening and working in a mosquito bat. Now let us see the parts of the mosquito bat. AC capacitor, full bridge rectifier, rechargeable battery, inverter, oscillator, step-up transformer, net or grid. Some people call this as mesh. Now we will see the parts of the mosquito bat. You can see this is a metal mesh. Some mosquito bats have flashlight. They have retractable plugs, flashlight on or off. They have handle enclosure top and bottom, lead acid battery, PCB, and you can see this is the metal mesh of the mosquito bat. You have three metal mesh. There are plastic covers. You can see there are four plastic covers are there, followed by on off button. You can see here I'm going to fix the on off button here. If I press the button, you can see it is creating short circuit and it is working. You can see the flash. You have printed circuit boards, you have batteries. Let us see how it works. If an insect enters into this mesh, it will be killed instantly. Now let us fix the bat. I am fixing the plastic covers. I am putting the mesh. Then I am going to cover with another plastic cover. Let us fix it carefully. It is done. Now I am going to lock this button. Now this is the handle enclosure bottom. You can see with the PCB board, batteries, everything. This is the handle enclosure top. I am fixing all the screws. You can see it is working. Now let us fix the other screws too. Now let me check once again, it is working. Now let us charge it. I am verifying whether it is charging. I am on the button. You can see it is working perfectly. This mosquito bat is working very perfectly. You can see here the charging LED is on. Like this, subscribe our channel Educrawl. You can forward this video to all your friends and relatives. During this COVID period, these types of videos will be very useful to them. Please share. Thank you.